Welcome to today's repair video. In this one, we're bringing an iPhone XsMax back to life by fixing everything from the screen to the back cover, step by step. First, we start by carefully removing the screws around the device using a precision screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, we apply adhesive remover solution around the edges of the screen to help loosen the LCD adhesive. Then, using a suction cup and plastic pry tools, we gently lift the screen without damaging any internal components. With the metal shields removed, we now have access to the internal connectors. First, we disconnect the battery to ensure safety during the repair. Then, we gently disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and other flex cables using a plastic spudger tool. It's important to be patient and work carefully to avoid damaging the connectors. Next, we move on to the bottom section of the phone. We begin by unscrewing components around the charging port and carefully removing the charging board. Then, we detach the vibration motor located nearby. Each part is removed gently and stored safely for reassembly later. To safely remove the old battery, we apply adhesive remover solution around and underneath it to loosen the strong adhesive. Once the glue softens, we gently lift the battery out without bending or damaging it. The battery will be replaced later during reassembly. Next, we move to the back side of the phone. We carefully remove the old back cover, which is firmly glued to the frame. After removing the back cover, we use heat and adhesive remover solution to safely detach the broken camera glass. This process is done slowly and carefully to avoid damaging the camera lens itself. Once cleaned, we install the new camera glass and prepare the back for the new cover. After preparing the back cover and camera glass, we start reassembling the phone. We carefully reinstall the charging board, vibration motor, and reconnect all the flex cables, including the LCD and battery. Each component is placed back in its original position and secured with the correct screws. We also reinstall the metal shields to protect the connectors. Now that all components are back in place and the new back cover has been installed, it's time to connect the brand new battery and the new LCD. Once everything is securely connected, we power on the device and carefully test all key functions: screen, touch, charging, camera, speaker, and vibration to make sure the phone is fully restored and working perfectly. This completes the full refurbishment of the iPhone XS Max, giving it a fresh look of performance just like new.